How to uncancel yourself.
Life Lessons with Ez.
I don't know if I believe in cancellation per se, but I do believe in redemption. I believe that no one is perfect. People make mistakes. We all make mistakes. But it is important to not only learn from those mistakes, but do the work to remedy whatever you broke or whomever you hurt. Alright? That can take a couple of different forms. But the most important place to start is honesty. Be honest. Take accountability. Figure out the damage that you've done with your choices, with your actions, with your words. Try and understand how it could be hurtful to people to experience that. Empathy. Empathy is one of the most important ways that we can connect as humans. And if you can have empathy for yourself, empathy for others, and you can understand some of the harmful consequences of your actions, well, that's a great place to start. Start with taking accountability. Understand the weight, the gravity of the hurt that was caused. Next up, you'll want to apologize and mean it. Show true and honest remorse. Sometimes people won't understand, sometimes people won't accept it, but you have to remember that an apology is a gift. It's a gift to another person to say, I'm sorry, I know what I did was wrong, and I hope that you can forgive me. It's important to be humble in that moment. It's important to be sincere, speak from the heart, and again, be honest. Take accountability for your role in whatever resulted in harm. Make a commitment to do better. Now, it could be baby steps. It doesn't have to be an overnight change, 180, but if you show people that you're sorry for your actions, that you're remorseful for them, and that you're willing to do better, that's something that we can all wrap our heads around, because that's something that we've all had to encounter. We've all done or said or been harmful presences in people's lives. We're not always the hero of everyone's stories. Okay, but if you can make a commitment to do better and honor that, honor a commitment to try and learn as much as you can about the harm that was caused, try and make a commitment to, emulate positive energy, try and make a commitment to have a positive impact on the world. These are things that, again, can help people feel at peace, because this is a gift. Even though you're trying to find redemption comes from service, from giving a gift, from doing better. And you have to honor that. So put it into practice. Try put something positive into what was a negative experience. Try fill it with love. Fill that void that was caused by pain with love. And there we go. Forgiveness can happen in those circumstances. It's important to forgive others, not just for the sake of letting people get off scot-free, but it is important to the individual, to the community, that we allow people to do better, to try to own up to their mistakes and hopefully contribute positively to the community, to themselves, to their relationships. Truly, what is important to communicate is that you know where you went wrong. And when you know where you went wrong and you make a commitment to not do it again, then we can all move on. We can all find peace in the situation and move forward. Because being stuck in resentment and anger and bitterness, it's not a good place to be. It's so much better to find peace in what has hurt you and forgive and move on. So that has been a life lesson with Fairs.